Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's kind of been here and there that I've been posting videos, but I've had so many projects that I just got overwhelmed, literally kind of shut down. But if you've seen in a couple of the other videos, I bought a lot of stuff for the Mustang, including the Super Snake style hood from AmeriHood. I did paint it. I didn't video me painting it. If you follow me on social media, you've probably seen it on my stories when I was painting it, but I've got it installed. I'm going to show you what it looks like. However, this is still with the 2012 front end, and as you know, we're swapping to the 2013 GT500 front end. So this is what the hood looks like. It has some imperfections in it because this is my first time dealing with anything fiberglass like this, but it came out pretty good for what it was. Now, as you can see, where this is a 2013 hood and I still have my 2012 front end, it does have that big gap, but honestly, from back here, you can't even, like, unless you know Mustangs, really tell even that much. But I've got my GT500 front bumper here. I've already got it painted. I painted this as well. I'm trying to do all the work on the cars myself, so I learned how to paint, and I've just been kind of learning as I go. The bumper came out pretty good. Again, if you follow me on any kind of social media, I post all of the videos of me doing the small stuff like this on there, so if you want to follow me, click the link down below. That'll take you to my Instagram. So what we're going to be doing today is not really installing the front bumper, but I have to assemble the front bumper. I have the GT500 upper grille. I have the GT500 lower grille. I don't have my fog lights in yet, so we're going to go ahead and pop the grills into this thing. And I also have the GT500 lower lip as well. It's not painted. I left it kind of I guess the matter ABS plastic look. I don't know if I'll end up painting that or not. I'm going to see what it looks like on the car. Next video is going to be removing the 2012 front bumper and installing the 2013 GT500 front bumper. And I also have to take off the side skirts because they are still the matte black where this was the GT California Special, and paint them to match the car. We've already did the GT500 rear. It has the GT500 lower diffuser, 2013 taillights. I am going to get the smooth deck lid panel as well, and I'm still searching for quad tips to fill up that valance. So in this should be two grills. I think this is the lower one because I did open this one and look at it, and this should be the upper grill, but I haven't taken it out of the box yet, so I really hope that this is the right grill. Yeah, that's the upper grill. Honestly, the big reason I went with the GT500 front end, I just liked the bigger openings and I like the bigger fog lights. I will be selling the California Special bumpers front and rear, so if anybody wants those, just leave a comment below and I'll get you my email and I'll tell you the price on those. But I want to get the upper and lower grill installed, and I think that you have to do it with the bumper off. But I'm pretty sure that these things just snap in here. I don't think that it's some big production to get these on. Yeah, it pretty much just snaps in there. So that's the lower grill. I haven't got it all the way snapped in, but I'll do that off camera, and then we'll put in the upper one. And no, before you start roasting me in the comments, the snake is not staying on there. I'm not going to up badge the car. I'm actually going to take the snake off, grind out a little rectangle of the grill, and put the actual Coyote badge in it. I've seen that on a couple cars on Instagram. It looks real good, so I think I'm going to continue that on my car as well. So there is the lower grill completely installed. On the top, I think there was like 6 or 7 tabs that go all the way through and secure up under here. Down here, I have to source out something to hold these in, but it also clips at the ends, so that should hold that out. But I'm not exactly sure what Ford uses to go through that and actually secure that part of the grill back through the bumper. So now let me pull the lower grill out of the package. And there is the beautiful Shelby upper grill. All right, so I'm gonna have to put you guys down for a second, snap this grill in, then I'll show you how exactly it attaches. All right, guys, there is both grills put in the front bumper. For the upper one, it actually takes a little bit of work, but it goes in very, I guess the concept is easy, the execution is not. These tabs right here, all of these across the top have to go in simultaneously. Then you have these big ones across the bottom. The important thing is that one there at the bottom, you've got to line that guy up for the rest of them to go in. So this is the bottom of the front splitter. The way this goes on, you have 4 of these tabs that overlap the front bumper. Then you have all of your places on the side and underneath that will line up. However, I did not buy the hardware to do this, but for the next video, I am going to install it, but I'm just going to put plastic rivets through it. That way, at least it'll hold on for the install. The fog lights, I won't have for this video, but they literally slide in from the front and 3 bolts hold it in from the rear. And the side markers, I'm pretty sure, are the same from this bumper. So guys, that's going to be it. Kind of a quick upload. I just wanted to put out a video to show that I am making some progress. That is what the GT500 bumper looks like complete. Here it is, pretty much complete and sat up with the bottom lip on. Now, I think on the GT500s, there is actually a secondary lip that you can get. However, I don't know if I want to put the secondary one on there. And if I do, actually, I'll leave that up to you guys. Search for a video of a 2013, 2014 GT500 and tell me if you like the single lip or do you like the ones that actually have the secondary lip under this. So that right there gives you a pretty good look at the, you know, overall look that I'm trying to go for with the car. So hopefully this thing will be done in the next week or so. So guys, that will be it. Be sure to smash that like button down below. Apparently that does help the channel out more than I thought. Head over to Instagram, because like I said, I post pictures of all the projects and stories on there if I don't upload them to YouTube. And always be sure to smash that subscribe button. Big red button down below. Help me out. We just eclipsed 3,500. So let's get to 4K by the end of the year. As always, thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll see you guys on the next video.